Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Elden Ring Seamless Co-op Steam Datagram Relay error. Firstly, you'll get something like Steam Datagram Relay error. It's usually show up after updating the mod. So, the workaround is you need to roll back mod version. Downgrade Seamless Co-op to version 1.7.7 or earlier. Also create a firewall outbound rule to block eldenring.exe connection. This stops the check that causes the Steam Datagram Relay error. Also a GitHub project which adds a bat script that blocks internet. Elden Ring launches the co-op launcher, then restores connectivity. Works best for version 1.7.7 or earlier. Also, you can right-click the launcher, game mod launcher, and run as an admin. Sometimes permission are the issue. So here's a combined approach. Roll back Seamless Co-op to version 1.7.7 and place all mod files in ersclauncher.exe in the same folder as eldenring.exe. Copy the patched Steam API 64 DLL file or outline online things replacement if using that. Block Elden Ring in Windows Firewall outbound rules and run the launcher as administrator. Launch the game, then reconnect the internet where applicable, and make sure everyone playing is using the same Elden Ring version and the same mod version, then same co-op password if needed. And also you can do that to install or enable Seamless Co-op and Randomizer mod on Elden Ring. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.